Welcome students. In the video la 9th standard science refresher module la 4th topic heat oda evaluation paaka porom. First Roman letter fill in the blanks. The measure of degree of hotness or coldness of the body is called temperature. In a solid, heat is transferred from mainly by the process of conduction. If two bodies A and B 50 degrees Celsius come in contact with each other, the heat will flow nowhere. On touching a lump of ice, we feel cold. The heat is flow from hand to ice. Conduction is only possible when the bodies in contact have temperature difference. True or false கேட்டிருக்காங்க. The answer is true. Second Roman letter, choose the correct answer. Heat is a form of thermal energy. If you apply some heat energy to a substance, which of the following can take place in it? Options பார்த்தீங்கன்னா expansion, increase in temperature, change of state. இது எல்லாமே நடக்கும். So the answer is all the above. Conduction is the way of heat transfer which takes place in a optionsல solid, liquid, gas கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. எல்லாத்துலயுமே நடக்கும். So all the above. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. What is the name of the method conduction heat from one molecule to another without actual movement of molecules? The answer is radiation. Third one, match the following. Liquid, அதுக்கு answer வந்து convection. Gas to liquid, condensation. Solid to gas, sublimation. Vacuum, radiation. Solid, conduction. Answer the following. What are applications of conduction in our daily life? Answer வந்து, we cook food in vessels made up of metals. When the vessels is heated, heat is transferred from metal to the food. When we iron dresses, heat is transferred from the iron to the cloth. Handles of cooking utensils are made of plastic or wood because they are poor conductors of heat. Second question, what are the effects of heat? Expansion, increase in temperature, change in state. Name the types of heat transfer. Conduction, convection, radiation. What is conduction? The process of heat transfer in solids from the region of higher temperature to the region of lower temperature without the actual movement of atoms or molecules is called conduction. Write a note on convection. The form of heat transfer from places of higher temperature to places of the lower temperature by the actual movement of molecules is called convection. Explain the working of thermos flask. A thermos flask has double walls which are evacuated. It is silvered on the inside. The vacuum between the two walls prevent the heat being transferred from inside to the outside by conduction or convection. With very little air between the walls, there is almost no transfer of heat from the inner wall to the outer wall or vice versa. Conduction can only occur at the points where the two walls meet, at the top of the bottle and through an insulated support at the bottom. The silvered walls reflect radiated heat back to the liquid in the bottle. Thank you, and if you have any doubts, kindly comment in the comment section.